Let's kick things off with football. The Reggae Boyz' 35-year unbeaten streak at home to Canada ended after the visitors carved out a 2-1 win at the National Stadium in their CONCACAF Nations League first leg quarterfinal match today. Jerome Foster reports.
Relentless showers from an adverse weather system forced the encounter to move into a second day. The heavy rain was replaced by clear blue skies as the sun pushed out in all its glory on Saturday. Approximately 3,500 fans presented themselves for the Reggae Boyz, as well as a few Canadians. The Jamaicans, who were without their main man in the
focus, they lost their focus 3-4 times. We did not punish them. We lost our focus 2-3 times. They punished us, and that's how it is at this level. You have to take your chances, and you cannot give chances. So that is kind of, in retrospect, the big picture of this game, in my opinion.
Credit to the team, credit to Canada to fight through it and come back and score a great second goal. So very proud of the team. Very difficult, hard conditions, very hot. Yesterday we had the rain, today we had the sun. So really good character from the group.
But the only thing I told at halftime is that, and after this game, is it's halftime. How we would like to prepare for the next game or second half. That starts now. How we would like to prepare for the second half, which is in Canada. So that's the only thing we can do now, is focus on the next one. This one is finished. Of course, at home, everybody is disappointed to lose. Everyone is. And people show it in different ways. But we just need to focus now on how can we get ready for the second half, which is in Canada.
The second leg takes place on Tuesday, with the Reggae Boyz having to score at least 2 goals to have a chance of advancing. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.